library system by using our design thinking approach. Well, you all know about the design thinking approach. So it's an efficient approach for providing a better solution for any real-time applications or any real-time issues. So here we will discuss about the solution for redesigning this library, public library system using our design thinking approach. As this problem statement is, the public library system in a small town is very struggling to attract the visitors, and the number of users visiting the library is very much limited. The little physical space is also very inconvenient for the users to use as the public library. So just give me our solution by using our design thinking approach, that is by doing some empathy, define, ideate, prototype and testing for redesigning this public library system to get more visitors and to use much more efficient way.
Let me empathize now. So the main people here are library staffs and then community members, local government officials. The main point here are difficulty navigating the physical space, and the next one, only limited access to the digital resources. And there is a lack of engaging programs and events also here, and limited community outreach, and then partnerships are also there. So the main need is easy to access to the information and then resource. And the next one is comfortable and welcoming physical space. And the third one is engaging the program for events for diverse interest and opportunity for community building and connection. The main research methods are user interviews and then surveys, observation of library usage and behavior, and analyze for library data and statistics.
Like someone will define that problem statement.
So, what we are going to do is that we are going to redesign the public library in a way that it will be more appealing and accessible by more people. So, the key challenges are limited budgets and resources, changing user needs and expectations, competition from other community, and the opportunities are leverage technology to enhance user experience, develop partnership with local retailers, create a welcoming and inclusive digital space.
Next, what are all the possible ideas? So someone can elaborate the idea phase by listing out the possible solution and by choosing the best feasible solution.
For ideate the problem which was the public library is not efficient to show off the peoples to attract the libraries. These are some ideas we use to implement our public library system. We redesign the physical space and flexible and comfortable for the people, those who are comes to the public library for the daily usage, and we can expand our internet workings for the e-book acceptance and the reading for the peoples, those are depending in the colleges, schools or surrounded by the villages. And we can create the programs and events inside the library in every single day or by week for for the interaction of the people in a library surrounded by the village. And ideation techniques are usually in the villages like public libraries are brainstorming and a scammer. These are idea techniques to develop the village public library for more elevations.
So how we can develop a prototype for the system by using these ideas?
And for prototype, physical model of the redesigned library space, a digital mock-up of the new website and digital platforms, a service blueprint of the library's program and services, and the key features of the prototype is easy navigation and discovery of the resources, comfortable and flexible seating areas, with engaging programs and events for diverse interests, opportunities to community building and connections. The feedback and iterations are user testing and feedback sessions, like iterative designs and refinement based on user feedback.
So how the testing can be done for this given prototype?
First one, testing method is usability testing and feedback session, pilot programs and the testing of new services, analysis of library and data statistics, Second one, key metrics and outcomes, increase the library users and the memberships, improve user satisfaction and engagement, the successful partnership with the local organization and the business. Third one, refinement and iteration, continuous iteration and refinement based on user feedback and data analysis, adaptation to change, user needs and exception.
So can anyone tell the last collaborative solution for this case study?
So, the solution contains multiple parts like redesign physical space, user-friendly digital platform, programming and events, partnership and collaborations. So let's look into it deeply. So redesign physical space means flexible and comfortable seating areas and collaborative workspaces. User-friendly digital platform gives us online catalogs and search and ebook lending. Programming and events. Author reading and book clubs. Children's storytime and literacy programs. Community workshops and training sessions. Partnership and collaborations. Local organizations and businesses. Community group and advocacy organizations. Educational institutions and research centers. So that's our solution.
So thanks for giving all your empathy, define ideal prototype and feasible solution for the case study which I have was given. So I think design thinking is the best approach for finding out any solution for any real-time application. So thank you for coming under this discussion.